In this video, I will show you how to generate and send QR code inside Gmail. So to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open Gmail. And as you can see in here at the bottom, beside the send button, you'll be able to find all the available tools on Gmail, but there is no option to generate a QR code. So to be able to find that tool, you'll need to open Chrome Web Store and then search for QR code generator for Gmail and then install this extension for your Chrome browser. So click on add extension to be able to confirm installing this extension for your Chrome browser, and then click on this extension and then go ahead and pin this extension into your page. Now in here, head back into Google Mail and then reload Google Mail. So once this reloads and that create or compose a message pops on your screen, you'll be able to find that QR code tool beside the send button. So let's reopen Google Mail and recompose a mail from here. So in here, simply click on that QR icon, and then in here you need to enter the link of the QR code that you want to create for. So you need to paste that here and then click on that insert button to insert this QR code into your Google Mail message. So in here you can go ahead and incorporate the recipient for the message along with the subject of the message. Now after that, you can go ahead and hit on that send button to send this email to that specific individual to whom you want to send this QR code to. And that's basically how you can generate and send QR code inside Gmail.